If you're thinking about Raptor coating a full car, ute tub, or just about any project in the near future, then this is what you need. In front of me are all the components to get your project Raptor coated this weekend, and today we're going to be running through it. Raptor comes in a whole host of different sizes, including 1 litre bottles, 4 litre bottles, bulk packs, and even aerosols. And they're going to be coming in either a black colour or tintable like the kit we have here. Now this kit is the 4 litre, 4 bottle kit, and as the name suggests, you're going to be getting 4 1 litre bottles of Tintable Rafter. Now what does Tintable Rafter mean? Well, it means you're going to have to go out to your nearest paint shop and get whatever colour you like to mix into this. In our case, we've got something pretty special coming up for a project car that we're tackling. One extra tool that we suggest buying when you do get this kit is the Raptor Schultz gun. It's as simple as assembling it straight out of the box, grabbing your pre-mixed or tinted Raptor, unscrewing the lid and screwing it onto the gun. And using an air compressor that you've probably got lying around your garage, it's going to make your job that much easier. The application process is quite simple. 2 coats is generally all you need with an hour in between and 5 days curing time. The finish of the product can be changed using different PSIs from your air compressor, 60 PSI being quite a smooth finish and 45 PSI being more coarse. Now that you know what's in the box and comes in the kit, you're probably going to want to know, is it any good? Well, the short answer is yes. It's tough, it's durable, it's UV resistant, it's water resistant, and it's perfect for your next project. Whether it's a hard going bed liner of your ute or the interior of a beach going car and you want something non-slip and it's not going to get sacrificed by salt water. It really is the perfect all-rounder for your next project. Now you know how easy it is, stop putting off your project. Get yours now.